Hello and welcome to the Windows Home Server How-To series. In this video, we'll see how to expand storage on the Windows Home Server. Here I have the HP MediaSmart EX490, which comes with 1 terabyte of storage space. What we're going to do today is install another terabyte of storage, which I have right here. It's a 1 terabyte drive from Western Digital. We'll see how easy it is to expand storage on the Windows Home Server. It's really simple to actually add a second hard drive. As you can see right now, we have one blue light that's lit up, so indicating that there's one hard drive that's there in the system. So this system comes with 4 bays. We'll just take a look in just a second. So it's easy to open this door. That opens the door, and now we can see the 4 bays that are available for expansion. The first bay already has the one system drive that's there, which is the 1 terabyte drive in this system. We can expand by adding any amount of storage in these available expansion bays. So it's very easy to open this bay. Just simply press this red button that opens this up and just pull the tray out. And we don't need any tools to actually install the hard drive. So there's this little screw holes that you see, and there's this corresponding pins on this hard drive bay. So I just need to carefully slip that into place. And that's it. So now this is in the tray, and all I need to do is slide it back into the system. Close that, and now close the door. So in a few minutes, we'll see the lights flashing on this drive, indicating that the system has recognized the new hard drive, and then we'll do the steps beyond that on the Windows Home Server console on the PC. Now that we have added the hard drive to the system, we'll now go to the Windows Home Server console to configure it for use on the Windows Home Server. Click Open the Windows Home Server console. Now on the console, click on the Server Storage tab. You can now notice in the server storage that we have 2 hard drives showing up in the system. The first one is the default drive that comes with the HP MediaSmart server. The second one is the drive which we've just added. As you can see, the button to add the drive is highlighted. Click Add to actually add it to the system for use, because until we add that, it is not available for use in the Windows Home Server. So when we click Add, we see this wizard which will allow us to add the drive to the system. Click Next. So here you have 2 options when we actually add the storage. One is to add the storage to the default storage pool capacity. So this increases the storage capacity of the Windows Home Server drive. So from 1 terabyte, we'll now actually have 2 terabytes. The second option is to add it as a backup drive. So that as a backup drive, you can actually add the drive to back up your entire Windows Home Server and then take the drive for offsite storage. For the purpose of this scenario, we'll add it to the storage pool. Click Next. The wizard is now warning me that it is going to format the drive. I click Next. The drive has now been added to the system. Click Finish. As you can now see from the overall server storage status, we have 1.7 terabytes of free storage space available on the system. Now that we have added a second drive, now you can actually duplicate the files that are being backed up to the Windows Home Server. When you click on Shared Folders, you can choose the shared folders that you want to actually duplicate. So for example, let's say we want to duplicate the Photos folder. So click on the Photos folder, click Properties, and notice the checkbox that says Enable Folder Duplication. By clicking Enable Folder Duplication, what that ensures is now the photos will be available on both hard drives. So this way, in the event of a failure of one hard drive, the photos will be available on a backup drive as well. As we've seen in this video how easy it is to expand storage on the Windows Home Server, we just added a second 1 TB drive to the system. Just as easily, we could add a couple of more drives to the empty bays that are available on the Windows Home Server. Or we can actually use the USB ports which are available in the front and the back to add external storage. As your digital storage needs grow, Windows Home Server will grow with you. Thank you for watching.
Be sure to check out other videos in the Windows Home Server How-To series. To learn more about Windows Home Server, please visit Microsoft.com/Windows Home Server.